Welcome to Rado's Baking Lab. Today, we're making the famously finicky coffee macaron. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's get baking. First, grab a large bowl. We'll start by combining our dry ingredients: finely ground almond flour, icing sugar, and instant coffee for that delicious coffee flavor. Then, give them a good whisk. Add your egg whites to the dry ingredients. Gently fold them in with a rubber spatula until you have a smooth paste without any lumps. Next, we're making Italian meringue. In a small saucepan, combine sugar and water. Place the pan over medium heat and let the syrup start to cook. Keep an eye on your sugar syrup. Once it reaches 115 degrees Celsius, 240 degrees Fahrenheit, start whipping your egg whites in a separate bowl. Once your sugar syrup reaches 125 degrees Celsius, 257 degrees Fahrenheit, take the pot off the heat immediately. Now, with your mixer on low speed, slowly drizzle the hot syrup into the whipped egg whites. Be careful, the syrup will be very hot. We will keep mixing. We're cooling down the meringue and creating that perfect glossy texture. Aim for a final temperature of 39 degrees Celsius, 102 degrees Fahrenheit. Our meringue is perfect. Now, the fun part, folding it into the almond paste. Gently fold in a third of the meringue at first, then add another third, and finally the rest. Keep folding until you have a smooth, glossy macaronage. Remember, the key is not to overmix. Fill your piping bag with our macaron batter. Remember to hold the bag straight up and down, about an inch above the baking sheet. Squeeze gently to pipe rounds of your desired size. Before baking, let your piped macarons dry for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 140 degrees Celsius, 284 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake them for 15 minutes. The macaron shells are baked. Now, let's create the ultimate filling, a rich and delicious coffee buttercream. For the perfect coffee buttercream, we'll use a double boiler. In a heat-proof bowl placed over a pot of simmering water, whisk together your egg whites, sugar, and instant coffee. Once the mixture reaches 68 degrees Celsius, 154 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat. Now it's mixer time. Time to create that luxuriously smooth buttercream. Slowly add your softened butter, one piece at a time, and let the mixer do its magic. You'll see the buttercream transform into a fluffy, irresistible filling. Get ready for the perfect flavor combination. Fill a piping bag with the coffee buttercream. Time to build those delicious macaron sandwiches. Pipe some filling onto each macaron shell and top them off. Now enjoy your beautiful creations. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more baking adventures. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep baking and creating.